Hello students, today we will discuss about operators. So operators are those which perform operation over operands, and they are of three types. First is your arithmetic operator, second is your relational operator, and third is your logical operators. You can see here this table. Arithmetic operator is further divided into three types: unary operator, binary operator, and your ternary operator. Unary operators are those that act on one operand and are referred to as unary operators. You can see here example plus plus and your minus minus. These are also known as your increment operator and your decrement operator. Now next is your binary operators. Operators that act on two operands are known as binary operators. Your plus, minus, divide, asterisk, multiply and your module, these are your binary operators which act on two operands. Here your divide, it gives result in the form of quotient and it returns your remainder. Your module returns your remainder. Now next is your ternary operator. It is a short form of if else and it gives your Boolean result. This is the symbol of ternary operator. Now relational operators, they work on two operands and give Boolean result. You can see here relational operators: less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to. These are your relational operators. You can see the example here. 10 is greater than 20. This condition is for it will return your false. 5 not equal to 5, it will return your false. 7 is equal to 10 minus 3. This is true because 10 minus 3 is 7 and 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, it is returning your true value. Now next is your logical operators. They work on multiple conditions and also give Boolean result. Logical operators, your and, or, and your not. Here you can see the example. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So a and operator, it gives the result true when both the condition are true. It will return false if any one of the condition becomes false. It will return your false value. You can see here example A not equal to B. Here A is not equal to B. This condition is true. A is less than B. This condition is also true. That's why the result is true. Now next example, A is equal to B, or A plus 10 is equal to B. Here or operator, it works on either the condition will be true, then it will return your true value. If you can see here A is equal to B, here A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20. So this condition is false. Here this A plus 10 is A is 10 and plus 10 is 20. 20 is equal to B. B here is 20. So this condition is true. Therefore, it is returning the true value because one of the condition is true. In or, either one condition should be true, the result will be true. If both the condition are true, then also it gives true value. If both the condition are false, then only it gives false value. So next is your not equal to A greater than equal to B. What not operator is doing? It is giving the result opposite to the condition. If the condition is true, it will give your false value. If condition is false, it will give your true result. You can see the example. A is greater than is equal to B. Here A is equal to 10. 10 is greater than equal to 20, which is false. So it will return your true. Now you can see some of the examples of unary and binary operators. Here A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Now plus A plus B minus into 2. Plus A, here it is 6. B minus here it is 6. And plus A, what plus A is doing? It is first increasing the value of A by 1 and then giving the result. Here B minus, it will first take the value as it is and then it will perform the minus minus operation. So 6 plus 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is 12 and plus 6 answer is 18.
एक मिनट, अब तू
Here in this your multiply, modulus and your divide will perform first and then your plus and minus. You can see here next example we have taken a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. A minus minus plus minus minus a into plus plus b upon 2. Here a minus minus, value of a is 4, it will not decrease first, it will take the value as it is 4. Now in this case minus minus a, first because this value has not been decreased here, so first a value of a has become 3. Now in this case first is decrement operator, so therefore we will reduce the value by 1 again and now it will become 2. So 2 into now value of b plus plus b, first it will increase the value of b by 1, it's 3 and it will become 4, 4 upon 2. Now 4, first it will multiply, 4 into 2 8 upon 2. Now as it is 4 plus 8 upon 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now students, you have to do these simple questions of unary and unary operator. Thank you students.